Let's work through an example of calculating positive slope using a table. Use the table to solve for the slope. First, identify two ordered pairs in the table. One ordered pair is 14.2, 215. Another ordered pair is 27.4, 703.4. Next, label the x and y values. The first ordered pair is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1. The second ordered pair is labeled x sub 2, y sub 2. Then, substitute the x and y values into the slope formula. The slope formula is the change in y divided by the change in x. Slope equals y sub 2 subtract y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 subtract x sub 1. The slope of this line equals 703.4 subtract 215 divided by 27.4 subtract 14.2. Last, solve for the slope. 703.4 subtract 215 equals 488.4. $27.4 subtract 14.2 equals 13.2. 488.4 divided by 13.2 equals 37. The slope of this line equals 37. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!